Jesus wants us to enjoy nature. And he says in John 14, verse 27, "Peace I leave with you, my peace I give unto you. Not as the world giveth, give I unto you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be afraid." So, nature is God's way of communicating with us, and it does give us peace and relaxation if we allow that. So I hope that you have a great day.
Mama
And
Duck's calling for him.
I plan on putting out probably only one video a month for now, maybe two.
This is
Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.
Beautiful man-made lake.